Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is GARNIDA SAPUTRA. I am number 16. I am from DPIB 2. Today I will tell you about my daily routine in my workshop. On Monday I have informatic lesson. Before starting the lesson, we usually pray and clean the class, and then turn on the computer, opening the AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, we usually make a circle, make a rectangle using the computer, and then on Tuesday we have a technical drawing lesson. We usually pray and clean the class before starting the lesson. And then we prepare our tools for starting lesson, and then we make a line, make a oval and edge. And on the Thursday I have a surveying, basic construction, and mechanical technique. In mechanical technique, we learn about scale. In basic construction, we learn about foundation, roof, and house frame. And in surveying, we just measure something, and then before the practice, we just take a note about how to measure something. And then the practice is quite fun. It's quite fun. And then we clean up and return the tools and equipment to the right place. And thank you.